This is my first trial lesson. Today we're going to walk you through the steps of solving a linear equation. Okay. And of course we did this during the lesson, during the day in our class, but this is just to help you if you had any questions or missed any points. So here we go. So we're going to balance this equation. X minus 3 is equal to 5. We know that a number minus 3 that equals 5 would be 8. We know that that would be the number. However, we have to prove it by math. So we do something called balancing the equation. So since we are subtracting 3, we want to get x alone, so we do the opposite. So we add 3 to both sides to keep it balanced. When you add 3, these 3's cancel out. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. You're left with x, so x is equal to 8. So as we stated before, 8 minus 3 is 5. We know it was 8, but we had to prove it. So we balance the equation. Alright, let's try another one. Example 2. 2x is equal to 6. Now what number times 2 would equal 6? Well, we know it would be 3, but we have to prove it again. So what's going on here is multiplication, but the opposite would be division. So we divide by 2. Both sides, again, keeping it balanced. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And again, we stated we knew that was the answer, but we have to solve it and prove it. Alright, so we're getting a little more tricky here. There's 2 steps. Alright, use something called orders of operations, but we use it in reverse. So the order of operation is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. But we start from the back. So we do adding and subtracting first, and then multiplication and division. Alright, so we have 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. Now as you see here, we start with the subtraction and the addition. So we reverse this process, which this is addition, so we do subtraction. And again, we balance it, so we're doing it on both sides. Subtract it from this side, they cancel. Subtract it from this side, you get 10. 15 minus 5 is 10. You're still left with a 2x, you just bring it down. Now what's going on here is just multiplication. The opposite would be division. So 2x divided by 2, because it's multiplication, so you divide, they cancel. On this side, 10 divided by 2 is 5. And you're left with x is equal to 5. So if we were to check this, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15, which we just proved.